are using Office 365 Pro version, you should be able online, this is online, you should be able to see where it says insert Python. So if I say insert Python, you can see I already have it, right? So insert Python, it's already there. So I exit, I can come back here, click on the drop down, show samples. So Python in Excel, and which is also the same thing as either the Python you use in Google Collaboratory or using a Python app such as Anaconda when you want to achieve that. Not only that, you have an editor, you have an initialization of Python. And when you see this code, remember that it's giving us an example. So in Office 365, we want to explore this example. And this is a sample data set. And when we say what, we can say insert that sample, insert the sample, insert the sample. It gives us a whole lot of it. So we can just start with this and say insert. So when we say insert, automatically the Python is also busy trying to figure things out, and immediately it gives us each, and you can actually see what was done using a data frame, using this, and that shows us that what a Python in Excel is a must know. And you can see it describing what a pandas is. So if you are using, for example, you are using a Google Collaboratory, and the first thing you want to do is to say import pandas as PD. You know, that's the same thing that Excel is doing. Yeah, it's telling us Python in Excel use the pandas library to create a data frame object in cell G3. When you come here, this is cell G3. You can see it's a data frame that was used to achieve that. And most times you see that there are various samples of what can be done using what, using a data set, and we can see that what this is Excel in action. Not only that, we can also insert a matplotlib to generate what is scattered plots. So if you look at that, you see that what is busy trying to generate a scatter plot based on the sample data set. You can see it has generated that for us. And for me, I believe that the Microsoft version of Python in Excel works better than any other one because it's something that one can relate with, since the person must have at one time or the other worked with spreadsheet, worked with an Excel. So if you have worked with Excel, so definitely this will equally help to achieve that kind of goal. And with this, you can see that what you are able to insert a Python, and under it you see inside Python show samples. And the only way you can know if you have an Office 365 that in the online version you have it is to click on formulas. Under formulas, just look, you will see something like insert Python, or better still, go to any of the cell and just write equal to py, which is a what short abbreviation for describing Python in Excel or in any form. Py is usually used as a representation for what Python is. And that is just an example of how we can use the Python. You can create a data set, you can insert various plots to see what is actually going on. You can also generate a linear regression showing a statistical model and relationship between a dependent variable or more, one or more independent variable, as the case might be. That is super, super, super important. Thank you so much for listening. And this is what we refer to as what Python in Excel or Python in data analysis, because it allows you to analyze a large chunk of data and by using a simple level of code to achieve a greater result. Thank you.